Welcome to Vivid Brains. Today we are dealing with Class 11 Straight Lines 3B, Exercise 3B. The question goes like this. Find the sum of the squares of the intercepts of the line 4x minus 3y is equal to 12 on the axis of coordinates. Here, find the sum of squares of the intercepts of the line. Intercept equation of the equation is equation of line 4x minus 3y is equal to 12. Because here they stressed on intercepts. So we have to write the given equation in the form intercept form. So what is the intercept form of a line? Intercept form of a line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So the RHS should be 1. Now I am dividing the whole equation with 12. Then I can easily get 1. Okay. So I can write x by a. So x by a means, so can I write this as x by 3 minus y by 4 is equal to 1. 4 one time, 4 3 times. So 3, 3 ones, 3 fours. So x by 3 minus y by 4 is equal to 1. Okay. Now we got the equation in the form of intercept. So we can compare the our equation, our intercept equation with that of the general form. So if you compare like that, we are getting the intercepts as A as 3 and B as minus 4. Why here minus 4? Because x by A plus y by B. That's why here B becomes negative 4. Okay, B becomes negative 4 and this becomes plus. So A is equal to 3 and B is equal to minus 4. What they asked in the question. See the question. Find the sum of the squares of intercepts. They are asking, find the sum of squares of intercepts. So sum of squares of intercepts is equal to, so we got intercept A as 3 and B as negative 4. Okay, so we can take sum of squares of intercepts. What do we get? 9 plus 16, which is equal to 12. So intercept form, given equation can be converted into intercept form and then get the intercepts and sum of squares. Let us move to the next question. If the portion of a straight line intercepted between the axis of coordinates is bisected at 2p, 2q, write the equation of a straight line. If the portion of a straight line is intercepted. Intercepted means it is touching. Intercepted between the axes. So what are our axes? Our axes are x-axis and y-axis, right? So this straight line is intercepted intercepted between the axes. Okay, intercepted between the axes. So let us take, it is the distance from here to here is a. Then it can be a comma 0, right? And this can be 0 comma b, right? Because any coordinate on x-axis, the y coordinate on x-axis is always 0. X coordinate on y-axis is 0. Okay. So a comma 0 and 0 comma b. And what is given here? If the portion of the straight line intercepted between the axis of coordinates is bisected at, bisected means making into two equal halves, that will that point be the midpoint. So bisected, that is 2p, 2q. Okay. So this is the bisection point of the total line AB. Let us take this as A and this as B. This is our horizon, okay? And this is, you take it as C. This is our midpoint. So coordinates of A, what are the coordinates of A? Coordinates of A comma 0. Similarly, coordinates of B, 0 comma B, okay? And because you know the two endpoints of the given line. So can we have the midpoint with midpoint with respect to these 2 points? Yeah. Let us find the midpoint. Midpoint of AB. This is given by, say, what is that? In order to find the midpoints, you know, x1, y1, x2, y2 are the two coordinates. Then what is the formula? X2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. What do we get now? X2 here, X2 is 0 plus a by 2, that is a by 2, and y2 plus y1, b plus 0, that is b by 2. Okay. So midpoint coordinates are these. But according to the question, the midpoint coordinates are given as 2p comma 2. Yes. So can we equate these two? Yes. So a by 2 comma b by 2, which is equal to 2p comma 2q. We know when the two coordinates are equal, then their respective x coordinates and the respective y coordinates should be equal, right? Then only the ordered pair or any kind of a point, one point is equal to the other point. Okay. Let us now equate this to 2p. Okay. Because they are asking to write the equation of a straight line, right? So what do we get now? We have to find the a value, which implies a is equal to 4p. Okay. Next, b upon 2 is equal to, it is 2q. That is b is equal to 4q. We got a and b intercepts. So we can easily write the intercept form, that is x by a, that is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, x by a is equal to 4b, and y by b is equal to 4q. This is equal to 1. So x by 4b plus y by 4q is equal to 1. Okay. Now we can simplify this as, because here 1 by 4 is common. So I am taking 1 by 4 as common, x by b plus y by q, which is equal to 1. So can I write this as x by b plus y upon q is equal to 4? This is our equation. This is our required equation of a straight line. What we did actually, because the midpoint is given, whenever you know two points, two endpoints of a line, we can easily calculate the midpoint. Okay. And then the given midpoint and the whatever the assumed midpoint we got. So we are equating those and we are getting our intercepts, and then we are substituting to get our straight line. Yes. Let us move to the next question. Look at the third question. If the linear equations ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, abc not equal to 0, and lx plus my plus n is equal to 0, represent the same line, and r is equal to L by A, which is equal to N by C. Write the value of R in terms of N and B. Okay. Yes. You observe, here you can observe ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. These two represent the same line, right? Represents same line, same line. So when the two equations represent the same line, we know that the coefficients are proportional, right? So we can say that coefficients are proportional. Okay. So because now what are the coefficients? Come on, we will write the coefficients. That is L by A is equal to M by B is equal to N by C, right? Assume this as something like ratio, no? That is R, okay? Then R is equal to L by A is equal to N by C. Write the value R in terms of M and B. Yeah, we got R value in terms of M and B. R is equal to M upon B. So we got R in terms of M and B. So what we did, what is the main concept here? Whenever the two equations represent the same line, the coefficients are proportional. So their ratio must be same. That is the main concept we used in this question. Let us move to the next question. Look at the next question. The question goes like this. Look at the fourth question. Find the angle made by the straight line y is equal to minus root 3x plus 3 with the positive direction of x-axis measured in the counterclockwise direction. Yes, equation of the given line. What is the equation of given line? Equation of given line, which is y is equal to minus root 3x plus 3. Okay. Positive direction of x-axis and measured in the counterclockwise direction. Okay. So this equation is of the form y is equal to mx plus c. So can we compare this equation with y is equal to mx plus c? Compare this with y is equal to mx plus c. Yes. What do we get? So m here, what is m? M is nothing but slope, and that is tan theta. Okay. That is minus root 3, and c is intercept, right? So c here is tan alpha. Tan theta is equal to minus root 3. So tan theta minus root 3 means what do we get? Angle made by the line in counterclockwise direction. That is very important. Angle made by x-axis, angle made by line in counterclockwise direction, right? So that means we can say that because tan theta is equal to minus root 3. So counterclockwise means it should be 2 pi by 3, right? Tan 2 pi upon 3. Okay. So alpha is equal to, we got alpha as 2 pi upon 3. That only they ask to find. Find the angle made by. So whenever the angle made by line in counterclockwise direction, because this is equal to 2 pi upon 3. Just we are comparing with the general equations. Almost all of the questions. Let us move to the next question. Look at the fifth question. The intercepts of a straight line on the axis of coordinates are A and B. If P is the length of the perpendicular drawn from the horizon to the line, write the value of P in terms of A and B. Okay. Now, the intercepts of a straight line on axis of coordinates are A and B, which is given. So, what is the equation of intercept form of a line? Equation of intercept form of a line is equal to x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Okay. Now, here it is given that x by a, the length of the perpendicular, this is our intercept form. If P is the length of the perpendicular drawn, P is the length of the perpendicular drawn from origin to the line. Okay, from origin to the line. So we can write this as x by a plus y by b minus 1 is equal to 0, right? So P is the length of the, what is P? P is the length of perpendicular drawn from origin to line. Okay. Now what do we write? So P is equal to, so the modulus of 0 upon A plus 0 by B minus 1 by root of 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. So what do we get here? So this becomes positive 1 upon, so if you take square root A square, B square plus A square under root, so this becomes AB upon root of A square plus B square. Okay, root of A square plus B square. So P, this is P is equal to, then P square becomes A square B square by A square plus B square. Okay, so which implies P is equal to mod AB, because length of the perpendicular they asked, length of the perpendicular, so by root of A square plus B square. So this is the length of the perpendicular drawn from origin to the line. Length of the perpendicular drawn from origin to the line. Let us move to the next question, that is next Roman number 2, and this is not Roman number 2. This is intercepts of a straight line, fourth question, fifth question, and then Roman number 2. Yes, Roman number 2. In what follows, P denotes the distance of the straight line from origin, and alpha denotes the angle made by the normal ray drawn from the origin to the straight line, with OX line measured in the anticlockwise sense. Find the equations of a straight line with the values of P and alpha. So here P and alpha both are given. Now we are going to write the equation. P is equal to 5. Let us take the first bit. P is equal to 5 and alpha is equal to 60. So equation of line. What is the equation of line when alpha and P are given? X cos alpha plus y sin x cos alpha plus y sin beta is equal to R. Okay. So how do you write? RP. P you can take. So x into cos alpha. X cos alpha, here cos 60 plus y sin alpha sin 60, which is equal to P. P is 5 here. So x into cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus y into root 3 upon 2. Okay, which is equal to 5. So what do we get? X plus root 3y is equal to 10. Okay, so this is our equation of a line when P is 5 and alpha is equal to 60. In the same way, P is equal to 6 and alpha is equal to 150. How do we do? The same way, x into x cos 150 plus y sin 150 is equal to 6. Okay. So x cos 180 minus 30. 180 minus 30 means minus cos 30, right? Minus cos 30. And y sin 180 minus 30. So it is plus y sin 30, which is equal to 6. What do we get? Minus x cos 30 root 3 upon 2 plus y sin 30, which is 1/2, which is equal to 6. So what do we get? Minus root 3x plus y is equal to 12. So this is root 3x minus y minus 12 is equal to 0. Minus root 3x plus y is equal to 12. So this is also changes, no? Because if you send this side, it becomes negative, and because we are multiplying with the whole with negative sign, so it becomes positive. Okay. So root 3x minus y plus 12 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Let us move to the next question. P is equal to 1 and alpha is equal to 7 pi by 4. So x cos alpha, so equation to the line, x cos 7 pi by 4 plus y sin 7 pi by 4 is equal to P is equal to 1. Okay. Yes. What do we get now? X cos 7 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4 means 315, right? 7 into 180 upon 4. Okay. 7 5 is 35. 7 4 is 31. 315. Okay. Plus y sin 315 is equal to 1. So 315 means, can I write this as x cos 360 minus 45 plus y sin 360 minus 45, which is equal to 1. So x cos 360 minus theta, that is cos 45, plus y sin 360 minus theta means this becomes minus, no, minus sin theta. So minus y sin 45, which is equal to 1. So x by 1 x by root 2 minus y by root 2, which is equal to 1. So x minus y is equal to root 2, or x minus y minus root 2, which is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Let us move to the next question. The same type of question. P is equal to 4 and alpha is equal to 90. Yeah. So x cos 90. So equation of line is x cos 90 plus y sin 90, which is equal to 4. Okay. Cos 90 is 0. So this becomes totally 0. So 0 plus y sin 90, y is equal to 4. So what is the final equation? Y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is our final equation. Next, fifth bit. P is equal to 0 and alpha is equal to 0. Now, equation of the line. Equation of line is x into cos alpha, that is 0, plus y sin alpha, which is 0, which is equal to 0. So what do we get? X cos 0 is 1, x you are getting, plus this total becomes 0, x is equal to 0 is our final equation. Next, look at the sixth bit. P is equal to 2 root 2, alpha is equal to 5 pi by 4. So x cos 5 pi by 4 plus y sin 5 pi by 4 is equal to 2 root 2. X cos 5 by 4 is 45. 45 5 is 225. 225 plus y sine 225 2 root 2. Okay. What do we get? X into 180 plus 45, 180 plus 45 plus y sine 180 plus 45. This is equal to 2 root 2. Okay. X cos 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta means minus cos theta. Minus cos 45. Okay. Plus y sine sine of 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta is minus sine theta. Okay. Minus y sine 45. This is equal to 2 root 2. Okay. What do we get? Minus x by cos 45 is root 2. Minus y by root 2. Sine 45 is also root 2. Now, what do we get? Minus x minus y is equal to 2 into 2. That is 4. So, minus x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. So, which implies x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. X plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the final equation of our given p-value and alpha value. Got it? Yes. Let us move to the next question. Find the equations of a straight lines in the symmetric form given the slope and a point on the line in each part of the equation. So here given one point, that is 2, 3 is one point is given, and symmetric form slope is also given. Slope and point both are given. So if the slope and point are given, then in symmetric form, what is the general form of the symmetric form? Equation of line in symmetric form. Symmetric form. What is that? X minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sine theta, which is equal to r. Okay. Now x minus x1, here point is given 2, 3, and what is given? Slope also given. Slope is given as how much? Root 3. Okay. X minus 2, here x minus 2, x coordinate is 2 by cos theta, and y minus 3 by sine theta is equal to 3, root 3, sorry, root 3. Then x minus 2 by cos 60, y minus 3 by sine 60. So x minus 2, we can write this as, because x minus 2 cos theta is here, slope is root 3. That means tan theta is equal to what? Tan theta is equal to root 3. That means tan 60 is equal to root 3. Okay? Tan 60. That means we can write this as tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. So here sin theta, if it goes to the top, okay, sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta becomes tan theta. So root 3 by root 3, total it becomes 1, right? So that's why cos 60 is equal to y minus 3 by sin 60. Okay. So this is our symmetric form. Or otherwise, you can equate like this. X by 2 by cos theta is equal to root 3. Okay. And root 3 means here cos theta. So x becomes, theta becomes 60. Okay. Like that. So theta, here only you are getting theta as 60. If you substitute theta here, then you can easily get it otherwise. Okay. what you do here from this, because tan theta is equal to root 3, tan 60 is equal to root 3. That means theta you are getting here. Just directly you substitute that. No need of changing all the things. So just you substitute that theta value here, cos 60 and sin 60. Okay, got it? Let us move to the next bit. Minus 1 by root 3 minus 2 comma 0. Yes. So slope here, tan theta is equal to minus 1 upon root 3. Okay. Minus 1 upon root 3 means theta is equal to 180 minus, because 1 by root 3 is tan 30, right? So 180 minus 30 we have to take. Okay. 180 minus 30 means 150. We got theta as 150. We can easily write the equation. X minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta is equal to r. Okay. X minus x1. What is our x1? Our x1 is minus 2. No? So it becomes minus 2 by cos 150, which is equal to y minus, this becomes 0 by sin 150. Okay. So what do we get finally? X plus 2 by cos 150 is equal to y by sin 150. This is our final equation. Next, let us look at the next question. Transform transform the Transform the following equations into a slope intercept form, intercept form, and normal form. Okay, let us do this. First question. So slope intercept form. What is the equation given? First equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. Now slope intercept form I am going to write first. What is the slope intercept form? Slope intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c, right? General form. Y is equal to mx plus c. In this form, we have to write. So 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. So 4y is equal to 5 minus 3x. Y is equal to 5 minus 3x upon 4. Y is equal to minus 3 by 4x plus 5 by 4. Okay. They are asking slope and intercept. So here, if you compare this equation with that of general equation, y is equal to mx plus c, x coefficient is slope and c is the y-intercept. Okay. So here, m is equal to minus 3 upon 4 and c is equal to 5 upon 4. Let us observe the second question. This is also in the same way. So what is that? Just the equation is changing. Let us take 4x minus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. This is our equation. Now, we are going to convert this equation into our general form, that is y is equal to mx plus c. Come. So, 4x minus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, 4x plus 12 is equal to 3y and y is equal to, just I am sending minus 3y to this end. Okay. 4x plus 12 upon 3. So y is equal to 4 by 3x plus 4. Okay. Here the coefficient, here what is the coefficient? The coefficient is, here given that the coefficient is 4 by 3. Slope is coefficient, that is 4 upon 4 by 3. And intercept is c is equal to 4. Intercept is c. C is equal to 4. We found only intercepts, but slope intercept form and intercept form also we have. Okay. Intercept form. The intercept form, let us do the intercept form of this question first and then we'll do the first question. So intercept form is slope intercept form. What is the, no, not slope, only intercept form. The intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, right? So according to the intercept form, we will write the given equation in our intercept. Okay. Now we got 3x plus 4y is equal to 4x minus 3y is equal to 12, right? So in intercept form, 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 12. So always the RHS should be 1. So I am dividing the whole equation with minus 12. Okay. Why? Because I have to get plus 1, positive 1 on the right hand side. That will be the general form of the given equation. So 4xy minus 12 plus 3y by 12, which is equal to 1. Okay. So what do we get? 1 upon 3x. Okay. 1 upon 3x means, can I write this as x by minus 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. So this is our intercept. Okay. Next, we do the normal form. What is the general normal form? Normal form of a line. Normal form. Normal form is x cos alpha, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, right? So how do you calculate this p? P can be calculated like root of x square plus y square, right? Now let us take the second question first. After that, we'll do the first one, which is equal to 0. Yeah. So x cos alpha plus y sin alpha. So in order to get this, so first, uh, what do we get? This is minus 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. Okay. Dividing, now what you do? Divide root of 4 square plus 3 square, that is minus 4 whole square, that is which is equal to 5. Divide by 5 on both sides. So 4 by 5x, 3 by 5x, which is equal to 12 upon 5. Okay. So what do we get? Cos alpha is equal to, this is here minus 4. Okay. What do we get? Taking cos alpha is equal to minus 4 upon 5. Sin alpha is equal to 3 upon 5. Okay. What do we get? So x cos alpha, this is y, 3 upon plus y sin alpha is equal to, how much will get? 12 upon 5. This is our final equation. Understood? And let us move to the first question. In first question, intercept form we will do. Intercept form. Intercept form, that is 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. So in order to get the intercept form, what you do? Your RHS should be 1, right? So divide whole equation by 5. So 3x by 5 plus 4y by 5 is equal to 1. Okay. So can I write this as x by 5 by 3 plus y by 5 upon 4. Okay. Which is equal to 1. Okay. This is the intercept form of a line. Next, let us do the normal form. Normal form, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to b or a. B or a we can take. Okay. And now how do we take? This is x. The given equation is 3x. 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. This is the equation. Okay. What do we do? So square root of 9 plus 16, which is equal to 25, that is 5. Okay. What you do? 3 by 5x plus 4 by 5y, which is equal to 1. Okay. So cos alpha is equal to 3 by 5 and sin alpha is equal to 4 by 5. Okay. Now tan alpha. Tan alpha is equal to cos alpha by sin alpha. Right. Tan alpha is equal to cos alpha by sin alpha. 3 by 5 by 4 by 5. That is equal to 3 upon 5. Sorry. Sin by cos. So this by this means 3 by 4 means 4 by 3 we are getting. Okay. Just you reverse this, these two. So 4 by 3 will get. So 4 by 3 means tan alpha 4 by 3 will get. So x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to 1. Okay. Let us move to the next question. So these are also in the same way you can do. That is slope intercept form, normal form. If you want more videos like this, please download Vivid Brains from Play Store. Please share, subscribe, and like. Thank you.